Roborock S7 Max Ultra, around 10 days later since I set it up and started using it. The idea is to show you how it looks after around 150 square meters and 17 cleaning cycles. Not all of them were with mopping. So let's see how is the water tank going on. Okay. It is nearly empty. It will have for around one more cycle. Dirty water tank, we will leave it after this cleaning cycle. I will run it one more time, full cycle, so vacuuming and mopping after that, complete apartment. Let it dry after that, and we will see how everything looks underneath and inside the dock. How is self-cleaning working on the robot itself and the dock. You can see here cleaning cycles and everything else. Regarding this cycle right now, we're gonna do right now a suction power turbo, scrub intensity and water flow moderate. That is good enough. Route standard. Let's go. It finished. It is a mop cleaning cycle. Let's wait for that to finish and check out the dirty water tank and clean water tank. It just finished emptying dustbin. It is a final step. So let's check dustbin in the robot. We can see that it is completely empty. There is nothing in it. And it looks pretty clean overall, no debris, which is really nice. A clean water tank. Yes, it is. There is maybe for half of cycle at least initial washing of the mop, but it is time to refill it. This is what I want to see. Okay, it is nearly full. Look at that. Quite a dirty. Let's empty this. Okay, check this out. Oh, did you see that in the end? Disgusting. Let's wash the tank, and it quite smells. But the good thing is that when it is closed, you don't. There is no smell at all, which is a really important factor with this kind of things. A rinse wash. Looks better, but I will do one more with a shower head. Let's get it back. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna refill clean water tank, and I did set 2 hours for complete drying of the cleaning station and robot itself. So let's wait 2 hours. When it finished, I will check and see how the mop looks and inside of the self-cleaning station. Drying finished, so let's check out what is going on. Okay, check this out. So after all these cycles, we have mop, which looks really clean. We have a little bit of debris here, but really nothing major, nothing to worry about. The mop is removable like on other models, but you cannot easily remove this part like before. So I will just lift it up to see what is below. Below it is super clean, nothing problematic to see. So as far as I see, there is no problem with cleaning Mop. It is really soft. I don't feel debris inside of it. You know, if the cleaning wasn't really good, it will be really hard on touch, and we will have a lot of spots like this, and this is just on this part here, which is nothing major. Overall, the robot looks super clean. It is not a lot of cleaning cycles, so this is just a preliminary conclusion, but so far so good. And inside of cleaning station we see quite a good situation. There is nothing actually there is nothing to see. Everything is clean. We have a bit of debris here, but you can see that it is nothing special. So for now it is really good, but we will see over time. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Conclusion is self-telling, so you can get your personal conclusion by watching this. I hope you comment down below in the video and tell me what you think about these type of devices. Until next time, see ya.